Yahoo! Hi guys! So how long have you studied English? 3 years? 5 years? 10 years? My name is Mark, I'm an English teacher, and today I'm going to tell you how to learn English fast. I'll teach you 5 tips after which you'll learn English for a short period of time. I would like to ask you a question. Is it possible to eat an elephant at once? If you answer no, it's correct. And you have to break and cut this elephant into pieces and eat it one by one, piece by piece. So the same is with English. So for example, how to learn phrasal verbs. Break them into pieces. Cut them down. Take 5 phrasal verbs, learn them every day within half an hour and put them in all possible contexts. The next tip is that you have to teach others. Teach what? You may say, I'm not a teacher. I've never been a teacher. The point is that you have to tell everybody about the new words you learned today. Take some students, join language clubs, and teach them these words. The third tip is focus. So once Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Steve Jobs were asked, what is the secret of success? They all answered simultaneously, and their answer was focus. So turn off your cell phones, turn off your devices, tablets, TV sets, and focus on those English materials you are going to learn. As a result, you'll learn all your English materials 10 times more effectively. The fourth tip is learn common vocabulary. Any topic in English doesn't have so much vocabulary in commonly used. For example, in the topic weather, you don't have to learn too much vocabulary. You just need to remember some key phrases. For example, it is snowing, it is raining, the sun is shining brightly, it is cloudy, and it is windy. After this tip to enrich your vocabulary in the topic weather will be much easier. The fifth and final tip is dip yourself into English. Spend your time with English as much as you can. Don't waste your time on watching TV, listening to the radio programs, or hang on the social networkings for no reason. Instead, while having free time, listen to English podcasts, meet friends from English-speaking countries, and use English in everyday life. So guys, I would like to ask you a question. Which of these tips do you like most of all, and why? Write your comments below, subscribe to my channel, put a like to this video, press the bell button not to miss my classes, and learn English fast!